Getting a chance on the silver screen is difficult, and what's even more difficult is to sustain. With almost 60 to 100 newcomers coming in each year in Bollywood alone, only a handful are able to get popular. And added to that is nepotism and politics. So only one or two survive this rat race. Today at Simply Curious, we are going to talk about 10 actors who started well but failed in their career. The film industry is a funny place. We do know that anytime the set people can make a comeback and become huge. We just hope they do, but for the time being, let's check out our top 10. And this list is basically after the 90s to have a more filtered list. Number 10, Mahima Chaudhary. Mahima, with her girl next door role in the film Pardes, rose to instant stardom. Unfortunately, her films thereafter were not so successful and she gradually faded away from Bollywood. Number 9, Madhu. After her super hit films Phool Aur Kaante and the national hit Roja, fans expected Madhu to rule the industry for quite some time, but she gradually vanished from Bollywood, except occasionally appearing in smaller roles. She is acting in a few Tamil and Malayalam movies right now. Number 8, Shamita Shetty. Her portrayal of Ishika in her debut film Mohabbatein earned her the 2001 IIFA Award for Star Debut of the Year Female. However, after that, she couldn't go beyond a series of item numbers. Right now, she is busy with a few OTT series. Number 7, Bhagyashree. Debuting with a super hit film Maine Pyar Kiya, Bhagyashree became the most talked about actress of her time. Her condition of signing films only opposite her husband Himalaya ruined her career. Number 6, Sneha Ullal. She became famous overnight with the film Lucky No Time for Love. Sneha was launched by Salman Khan and her resemblance to actress Aishwarya Rai made her the talk of the town. Sneha did a couple of movies post Lucky No Time for Love, but none of them helped her acting career. She tried her hand in the South Indian film industry as well, but with little luck. Number 5, Gracie Singh. She made a lucky entry into Bollywood with Lagan and worked in another hit film, Munna Bhai MBBS. She did not get proper roles and was even seen opposite Kamal R. Khan in his film Deshdrohi. She is now working in a couple of television series. Number 4, Rahul Roy. Rahul Roy became famous overnight after his debut in the hit Mahesh Bhatt production Aashiki. He, however, failed to make a mark in Bollywood after that. He is playing small roles here and there. Number 3, Imran Khan. Khan made his adult acting debut in 2008 with the romantic comedy Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na, which was a critical and commercial success. His performance in the film won him the Filmfare Award for Best Male Debut. After the failure of his next two films, Khan was written off by the media, calling him a one-film wonder. He then starred in a number of commercially successful films like I Hate Love Story, Delhi Belly, Mere Brother Ki Dulhan and Ek Main Aur Ek Tu in 2012, which was his last commercially successful film. This was followed by a series of box office flops, and then he decided to concentrate on his family life and quit acting. He is expected to give a re-entry in Bollywood soon. Number 2, Amisha Patel. Amisha Patel made her acting debut in the 2000 blockbuster romantic thriller film Kaho Na Pyar Hai. She rose to prominence by featuring in top grossing productions Gadar Ek Prem Katha, which became one of the biggest hits in the history of Hindi cinema, earning her a Filmfare Special Performance Award. Hamraz and Kya Yehi Pyar Hai were her other two prominent films. She received critical recognition for her performance in Ankahi. Subsequently, she featured in box office hits Honeymoon Travels Private Limited and Bhool Bhulaiya, which proved to be her first commercial success in 5 years. In 2013, she made an extended special appearance in Race 2. And since then, she has been dabbling with producing her own films as well, but with minimal success. Number 1. Vivek Oberoi. Vivek Oberoi made his Hindi film debut with Arvind Kojha and Ram Gopal Varma's super hit Company. His performance in the film earned him several awards, including the Filmfare Awards for Best Male Debut and Best Supporting Actor. Following this, he achieved wider success for his performances in the 2002 romantic drama Saathiya, the 2004 comedy Masti, the 2005 natural horror Kaal, and the 2007 biographical action Shootout at Lokhandwala. Many thought he was the next big star, but then slowly his downfall came, mainly because of his selection of scripts. From his self-proclaimed Oscar-worthy performance in Krish 3, he has been constantly in the other spectrum of success. He was seen as a lead in a biography of Modi, but the film failed. He's awaiting a new film, Rosie the Saffron Chapter. Let's hope that it becomes a hit, at least for his sake. There are so many other people that we haven't addressed, and we will come up with a subsequent list very soon. Who do you think needs mention in this list? Do let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, press the like button, the share button, and subscribe to Simply Curious.